So we're just on a little drive out as soon as the weather's good. We're at a place called Mooresdale in the Lake District. It's probably 20-25 minutes from our house. So I'll show you the sights. So if your brakes fail on here, good luck. The old crappers don't like hills, that's for sure. No, them people. A lot of people ask me about the inside of the van, the outside of the van, and how I've been getting on. Well, to be honest, it's just about done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a quick tour, and I'll show you what I've done and how it's looking. As you can see here, we've gone for the Evo units in bamboo, and we've got the bed full width at the back. If I'm totally honest, I kind of wish I put a pod on, but when you see how much they are, that might be in the future, but we'll see. As it is, I can just fit in it, so I'm going to leave it as it is for now. But yeah, we've got the spice rack, got a socket there, got bits and bobs of storage at the back there. We've got lights on the side that come on with a fan switch like that, just to give you a little bit of ambience at night. Couple of bits and bobs on here just to keep things in. Got tea bags in there, sugar, salt, pepper, some placemats. And then again, we've got the Evo. I've gone right down here. I haven't gone for the shower option. I don't know, it's just not something that really bothers me. Usually where we are, we're on campsites and there's a shower on site, and now and again when we're off grid I can cope with that for a day or two. Down here we've got this seating area, so underneath there we've got the diesel heater, a bit of storage. We've got air fryer, coffee machine, that kind of thing. Got another socket here behind the cushion hiding. One thing I would recommend is this little baby that goes round here is an electric blanket. Now obviously in the summer we don't need it, but we've been away in the winter and it's a godsend. I mean, plug it in your EcoFlow, put it in your EcoFlow, and it uses literally 7 watt, which is nothing, which is ideal, just to take the chill off when you get in. But yeah, I mean, we've got the Evo kitchen units with the soft close drawers. Got all the electrical gubbins in there. Don't laugh, it's a bit of a mess. Usual suspects on the end. We've got a lighting panel, switch panel, max air fan controller, CO2 alarm, and then we've got the max air at the back there, and just got a skylight here. I'll take you outside and we'll have a little look. So we've got Transporter HQ fridge with the LG compressor, which again, that literally uses nothing. It's it opens both ways. You can open it that way and that way, which is handy when you're outside the van. Popped a little table on here for when you're sitting outside. You can put your gin and tonic or your Desperado on it. And again, we've got our custom step down here, which lights up when we open the door, shut the door, on the key fob, that kind of thing. And then in the front cab, don't mind the mess, I've got a lead here with the plug top on, so all I do is I've got electric hookup under the bonnet, obviously for electric hookup, but when we're off grid I'll just put my Delta Flow my EcoFlow Delta Max 2. I just put it on in the footwell of the passenger side, and 16 amp plug into the hookup and plug it into the EcoFlow. Then we've got 240 in the van rather than having an inverter and all the rest of it. Outside the van, show you. We've got the Black Rhino Warlords with the BFG all-terrains. I've painted the mirror caps, painted the bumper, gloss black inserts, and again I went for the gloss black on the grille. Transport HQ lights with the dynamic indicators, and CCTV. Got one on each wing. There's one on each wing, there's one on the rear doors, and there's one that shines, that films through the front windscreen. And on the back, again we've painted the bumpers, wrapped the vinyl on the back to give the illusion of windows, and right up the top, about there, that's the rear CCTV. And then come around to the side, we've got a Fiamma FETS up top, and we've got side windows on, and then we've got a few stickers on there. Shouts out to John at the Caddy Boys. If you don't follow him, give him a follow on YouTube, Caddy Boys. What else have we done? Put rally flaps on, which save a lot of crap going up the side of your van. If you can see them boys there. And then again, we've got a solid window on this side. The other side's got a sliding window in. This side's fixed. And again, we've got a few more stickers on there. Big shout out to Sean at Axis UK. If you don't follow him, give him a follow on YouTube. Cracking videos. Some wind deflectors on there as well. And up top, we've got two 140 watt Victron solar panels. Inside, it's a bit of a mess, but you know, we've got a Victron MPPT, a Victron DC to DC. We've got the solar isolator, 240 fuse box. We've got another 12 volt fuse box here with a little, I don't know if you can see that on the carpet, a 12 volt outlet there. So if I wanted to charge, say, my EcoFlow up, I can just plug it in there when I'm travelling, or put it on the solar, either or. And in the corner, about there somewhere, we've got a vent off the diesel heater so that the garage area stays toasty. But apart from that, it's work in progress. I don't think it'll ever end. So yeah, so for all them people that were asking, that's how it is at the minute. Anything else, I'll keep you updated. I do intend on, I'll just go around and show you. I'm going to wrap these black so it gives the illusion of two windows, and also I can't shut the door, the table's out. Just put this table down. Oh, I need two hands. So I'm gonna, this bit here, I'm not a fan of it in aluminium, so I'm going to wrap that black as well so it'll match the rest of the van. Once this area here is wrapped black, you probably won't even notice that if I'm honest. But again, that's about it. The only other thing inside, I've got mirror tint on the inside window and Transporter HQ curtains on this window, on this door that I'm opening now. And there's a mirror. You can probably see me in the mirror. So yeah, that's where we are at the minute. Like I say, no doubt there'll be more stuff to do, but once we do it, we'll probably film it and put it on YouTube anyway. So just like that, we're home, and to prove it, I'm here.